y'all, it's Katrina with Pate-Meadows and out on the porch, and we do a lot of eating outside in the summertime. Our family is in and out, and we just spend a lot of time out here. And I had this little table and chair set that when we moved, the glass got broken, and it was so expensive to replace the glass. So just on a whim one day, I made a piece of plywood and covered it with outdoor fabric and put it on the table, and we used it for a dinner one night. Well, 6 years later, it's still been out here, and it was kind of nasty, and I got ready to redo a lot of stuff out here, so I thought I would make another one because it just turned out so good, and I thought y'all might like to know how I did it. So I took a piece of plywood and I covered it with outdoor fabric. I did about 6 coats of Mod Podge on it, and it's wrapped around and stapled underneath. And to keep the staples in, I used our Roman shade magnet tape to put down first, and then I stapled on top of it to keep the staples from pulling out. And then when it's all done, I use these little electrical conduit brackets and attach them underneath so that they hook to the table. And so this can stay out here in the weather and it can get wet. I'm thinking also about putting the little upholstery studs on it. I think that will be a good look. So anyway, here's a quick fix if you break your glass on your outdoor table. Don't throw it away. Just cut a piece of plywood and cover it with fabric. It's a great idea.